Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, legends. Welcome to the Mosh Show number 48. And if you smell... Okay, different show. Wrong show. Okay, that's correct. Mosh Show, welcome back to the Mosh Show number 48 with your host, Fawaz. And today is a beautiful day. Today is an awesome day. Today is an amazing day. Today, we're going to review a product, a software app called Mightee. For some reason, it sounds so good. Okay, so come, I'll show you inside. Okay, so Mightee gives you the ability to attract, to get viral traffic from different ways, such as exit intent, sweepstakes, photo contest, public pick contest. That's inside the software. I'll show you inside the software in a moment. But first and foremost, I will show you Mo's incredible bonus bundle. Of course, Mo's incredible bonus bundle with the incredible bonuses that I'm creating right here for you and only you. Okay, so make sure if you're interested to buy this product to click on this red buttons scattered everywhere on the page, on the bonus page, red button, and click on it. And when you click on it, you're gonna arrive to the sales page. Well, this, if you're watching this on YouTube, the link is going to be in the bottom of in the description box or the first comment. I always attach it in the first comment just in case you miss it from the description box. If you're coming through my email, that link is going to be in the email. You can click on it and arrive to the sales page, and you can purchase I'm going to show you the sales page in a moment. You can click on that red buttons which the sales page has, and you're going to arrive to something. Come. Let's go inside. We're gonna arrive to something inside the Warrior Plus, where you can access your purchase right here. You can make it bigger. Hold on. 125, 135. Okay. So access your product right here and access affiliate bonus right here. So this is where the bonuses you're gonna get, and the green button, that's where you access your product. Okay. Let's make it smaller and go and check out the products. So again, the product's called Mightee, of course. And again, let's go check out the bonuses. Okay, so without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, bonus number one that you will not find anywhere else except with me. And it's called bonus number one is the undisclosed bonus. Undisclosed bonus is offered only by me and me only. It's a course that will teach you how to be an affiliate marketer and how to be a super affiliate. This course worth $500, but you're going to get it here as a bonus from me and me only, which is going to be bonus number one, of course. Okay. So undisclosed bonus by the King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz, right here. That's bonus number one. Bonus number two as Mightee bonus tutorial. List building on steroids. I don't like steroids, but it's okay. As a course, you can add steroid, you can add God knows what. It's okay. It doesn't matter. But in your body, you cannot add that. Stay healthy, stay clean, and you're gonna reach everything you want. All natural. Okay, so again, mind the branch out. Without further ado, King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. Bonus number two is gonna be list building on steroids. So bonus tutorial, it's a second bonus, and that's gonna be offered as bonus number two. Bonus number three is gonna be another bonus tutorial. It's called YouTube Mastery Class. This will teach you YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, how to use YouTube Live, how to make money on YouTube, how to use YouTube ads, and all that. By the King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz, and that's bonus number 3. Okay, so bonus number 4. Let's check out bonus number 4. Bonus number 4 is make money with Facebook Live. Of course, make money with Facebook Live as long as you. Well, I know everybody and their dogs know Facebook Live and Facebook ads, but this is different. This course is different because it teaches you from A to Z, and it teaches you as a beginner, how to do Facebook and how to make money with Facebook and all that. Okay, so that's inside that software, and it's a bonus tutorial by the one and only King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. Bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, and the last bonus is another bonus tutorial. It's called Bing Mastery Training, Ads Mastery Training. So basically, you know Bing. It's the alternative or the challenger, the competitor of Google Ads. And this course will teach you from A to Z how to create Bing ads, how to get the best converting keywords, from A to Z. It's a course from A to Z how to use Bing ads and how to make money with Bing ads. Okay. and how to attract leads and how to get leads for also Bing ads. Okay, that's bonus number 5. Like I said, anytime you're interested, click on this red button, scattered everywhere, spread everywhere on the page, and when you arrive to this page, access the purchase or access affiliate bonus. That's gonna be the bonuses where the bonuses is. Okay, so I will go to the sales page right here. Also the creator, which his name is, hold on, let's check out his name. And okay, so it's not here. He was here. Okay, Mosh Bari. Sorry. Okay, it's Mosh Bari. I always, forget his name. One of the best marketers out there, one of the best software developer out there. He creates softwares that last forever and will create softwares for us, the marketers, to use and to gain leads and to gain money with it. So basically, this is one of his softwares called Mightee. Create a tidal waves of viral traffic. Okay, so let's get my pen right here. Let's make it black. Let's here, and let's make it yellow. Okay, so again, create viral waves of tidal viral traffic. Built in three built-in viral elements can send unlimited super untargeted traffic, trigger people's innate desire, compete and win to get visitors. Comprehensive software creates and manages all aspects of viral contest. Quick click templates, make it point and click, easy to use for anyone, easy integration. Follow the scientific BFA algorithm for generating unlimited viral traffic and 100% traffic free, 100% risk free. Okay, so let's go, continue on. 100% risk free, satisfaction guaranteed. Okay, you can check out the video. I also attach it in attach a demo here. You can check it out. You can check out the software, the inside of the software. Okay. Of course, Mightee, you can check out the sales page by yourself. Fear of missing out, the pleasure of winning, yada yada yada. I'm gonna show you the bonuses that he's creating. Okay, so here just 3 steps. That's how the software works. I also attach it to the bonus page just to show you how easy is the software to make and to get money from and to get leads from. Okay, so step 1: log into Mightee admin area, navigate the way your way to your panel. The intuitive members area make it super simple for you to create an explosion of viral traffic with a few clicks, quick clicks. Okay, so step number two, select to choose viral contest type. Select exit, pop, photo, or sweepstakes. Pick one of 3 professionally template contest types and start building a traffic attracting viral contest to your own in mere minutes. So basically it takes minutes to create. Okay, so step number 3, publish your content and get traffic. That's the most important thing. Okay, so these contests are engineered through the science of human behavior, and you'll be amazed as they practically force people to take action and what you want them to do, of course. Okay, so let's delete this. Let's continue on. More proof, of course. Mightee is powerful enough to generate traffic for the pros and easy to use even for beginners. Okay, you can check out that by yourself. Yada yada yada. Okay, number 1, let's do something. Let's try something here. Number 1, let's say to decide your Mightee right now. Okay, adds up. Let's check out the bonuses he's offering here. Okay, step number 1 again. There we go. Okay, so here we go. Let's check out. Let's make the page smaller. I have a big page here, just to make sure that you get everything here. Okay, so let's do this. And sorry about that. Sorry. Okay, let's fit everything in one page. Okay, and get my pen. There we go. Okay, so bonus number 1, he's offering you, beside my bonuses, the 5 bonuses that I'm offering, he's offering you extra bonuses, which is number 1, platinum bonus 1, Mightee special bonus training, revealed, take your online income to the next level. Now, Mightee members get to use this first, perfect for part-time or full-time. Okay, that's Mightee bonus number 1, platinum bonus number 1, platinum bonus number 2, email list building blueprint. Okay. Learn the ins and outs of email list. You will this will This will show you the proper way to begin building your list. Of course, the building the list, as you know, the email list is your asset. Okay, I'm offering also one of my bonuses is list building. This is as it's similar or extra steps or extra tricks to get your email list. So basically here he's giving you more of an email list also course. Okay, bonus number 3, that's the bonus number 3, affiliate marketing secret. Is affiliate marketing is for you, learn. Okay, so basically this is a course of affiliate marketing and he's giving you here as a bonus. Okay, let's delete all that, let's click this and continue. And bonus number 4, the last bonus he's offering is platinum bonus 4, building your perfect sales funnel. Build the perfect sales funnel for your business, learn and hows and whys here. Okay, so basically he's giving you a course of how to build your sales funnel. Okay, so that's it. Okay, this is it. So let's delete this. Okay, so again, the price is 22. I believe it went up. Let's check out I think it started. Okay, let's check out the front end. The front end is $17 right here. Okay, so $17. So I actually, because it launched like in the morning, and this video came after, so I basically, that's why it went up to 22. So $17 starts, all 3 licenses for 3 different sites, 27. Okay, that's Mightee Premium and Platinum. Okay, he's offering 3 licenses, so you can choose one, 17 or 27, which is 3 licenses for 27 or 1 license for 17. Okay, and that's, I think that's where the price went up for. So either 1 license or 3 licenses. Okay, so OTO number 1, Pro Gold upgrade. Okay, so the Mightee Pro is $67. Built in 30 days, automated sequence templates uploaded into the software. Customers can head in to edit their emails or whatever they want to autoresponder needed, sent out from the platform itself. Okay, so let's get my pen. Okay, so that's number 1. Okay, number 2, sales number 2, upsell number 2, OTO number 2, Mightee Platinum upgrade. Okay, that's a platinum upgrade for $47. Members get the create. Okay, let's try this. Okay, members get to create templates and on 3 different niches: make money online, relationship, and health. Only 3 sites per niche they could create list with these different niches with the OTO 1. Upgrade and integrate with their own AR3. Okay, so Mightee upsell number 3, Mightee Titanium upgrade, $67. Members unlock unlimited sites for integration. Okay, so upsell number 4, Mightee done for you, 127. It's done for you sites. It's $127. That's one shot. There is no downsell in here. Okay, actually there is downsell. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you also how to get a rebate. Yeah, a rebate through the website. I'll show you. It's a trick. Nobody showed you that before. I'll show you that. Okay, so what's happening here? Why is it okay? So Mightee done for you, 127. Contests are pre-created. Members just need to log in, pick up their favorite funnel, and run the contest. Okay, and lastly, bonus number 5, Mightee Resellers Agency license. Of course, self-explanatory. It's $97. Customers will get done for you agency website. They just have to change the logo and their company name, a few more information to build an agency site, and yada yada yada. Okay, so that's it. That's it for this one. Let's delete all that, and I'll show you the website. Actually, here you go. Okay, so this is the sales website. I'll show you how to get a rebate.
What is the one common element of every single profitable website online?
The site has the line high. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so Mightee. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, 75. Let's make it bigger. There we go. Okay, so the moment you're trying to leave, you're gonna get something like that, $3 discount. Okay, so basically it's 22, and the price goes down to 19. Okay, so basically you get almost the price of the launch. The price of the launch is 17. You get it for 19, so an extra $2. But again, you save $3 discount from just moving around the mouse as soon as you arrive to the sales page. So that's a trick. You can save up a few bucks here and get it by the original price that he launched it with. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Okay, let's go into the software itself, and of course the main thing here. Okay, so add contest. So add contest, like I told you, exit content, exit intent, scroll group, sweepstakes, photo contest, public picture contest. Okay, continue. And oops, please enter contest name. Okay, so you have to enter contest name and create there. So here. Okay, so training and tutorials. Of course, we're gonna start with the training and tutorials. Here, right here, Bari, he's giving you a tutorial himself. Okay, you can check it out and check out the bonuses he's giving you also here. Okay, and I think we left the site. Okay, and dashboard. So the dashboard will show you. We'll show you here the generated leads, total contest, how many total contests, and of course the graph for the contest and the leads, unlimited everything, of course. Okay, contest. You can look at the contest here. This is the contest I just showed you. Photo contest, another test. Lead counts 0. Photo contest, public pick contest, exit intent contest. You can choose and pick from here. Okay. Add new contests, like I showed you. You can add the contest. You have to write the name also, the title. Okay. Automation center. Automation center. Let's check it out. What's automation center? Reward, notify, inactivity, motivate, winner. So create. When you create, you're gonna see congratulations. I think these are built-in follow-up with the contest. So basically, when somebody fill up the contest, this is a follow-up. Congratulations, you earned the reward and all that. And you can add your follow-up and the funnels. So basically, remember the funnels I showed you here in the OTOs. Titanium 1 upgrade. That done for you. Done for you funnels here. This is where you attach it. This where you attach it here. Yeah, where you attach it here, and you can create the thank you, and you can make money and bring leads, more leads into the funnel from there. Okay, as you know, the funnel, you can create the funnel, a short funnel, or like a simple funnel, or you can directly create a big funnel. I know one of the big gurus out there, the one that sells his course for $2,000. He uses a funnel that it takes 2 years to complete. 2 years to complete, and he makes tons of money through it. So basically, this is my intent. This is my dream to be, and I'm working hard for it. So this is one of the funnels. I'm just you can start small funnels, and then you can create the bigger funnels, and you can build from there. Okay. Out of this, we branch out a little bit, but just to let you know what's going on in the industry right now. Okay. Done for you automation. That's done for you. Okay. So automation center. That's different. Done for you automation. That's the campaign I was talking about. Okay, so here, see the referrals. You can add the referrals. You can actually search through the done for you funnels that you just created. Okay, email automation. Of course, email automation. You can attach the autoresponder that you're working with. Mailchimp, Aweber, get response, contact, constant contact, send lane, and send you. You can check out all these by yourself. Okay, and of course here the lastly. As I believe is the campaign name, emails. Okay, so basically, yeah. So this is the campaigns and the leads that you're collecting, the leads that you collected. Okay, so that's it. That's it for now. Thank you for hanging out. Again, make sure you smash that like button right there and subscribe. Right, I think it's right here. Subscribe to make sure you follow me and make sure you are up to date with the products that's coming out in the market right now, and also to see my beautiful face, and we have a conversation or something, give me some love. I give you some love, you give me some love. It's always like that. Anyway, without further ado, without talking too much about it, thank you again. Thank you very much for hanging out. This is with your host, Most Fawaz, with the Most Show number 28. And you just checked out Mightee. And if you're, like I said, if you're interested, you can click on one of those red buttons. You're going to arrive to the sales page, and you know what to do after. And if you, like I said, smash the like button right there, smash it, and also subscribe to make sure that you follow me and you follow my product reviews. Thank you again for hanging out. Thank you again for being a part of the show. And again, have yourself a good day. Have yourself an awesome day. Have yourself a beautiful day. Be good, be awesome, be tremendous, be the best version of your life today and every other day. And again, peace.